Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson number 34. My name is Professor Robert. In today's lesson, we'll learn factoring, like grouping. So today's lesson will be about factoring by grouping. All right, let's dive right into it. Let's look at the first example. If you're given an expression like ax plus bx plus a plus b, we can factor this expression by grouping. So when you look at ax and bx, this can be grouped as x into a plus b. And then a plus b at this end can also be grouped as a plus b. So between x into a plus b plus a plus b, a plus b is a common factor. So if we took out a plus b, then we are left with x and we are left with 1, this end. So this becomes the factorized format of that expression using the grouping method. All right, let's try now example number 2. If you're given x squared plus xy plus 2x plus 2y. Now, we have to look for the common elements in our expression here. Now, let's take, say, these first two. We find that x is common everywhere. And when we pull x out, then we are left with x plus y. And when we look at the second, pair of expressions or elements in the expression, we can bring out 2 into x plus y. And in this case, we have now two expressions that have got x plus y into them as a common factor. So we can bring x plus y out, and we on the left hand side we will be left with x, and on the right hand side we will be left with 1, and this will be finally our factored uh, expression using the grouping method. Okay, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and subscribe for more algebra made simple. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.